a beautiful morning. Setting off from Thomas Knob Shelter. Had a nice little visit from the ponies this morning. They came to say, "Good morning, it's breakfast time, where's our food?" And we're like, "Yeah, no food." But they were kind enough to let me pass. And so now I am officially in the Grayson Highlands, and we'll be seeing more ponies hopefully. But this place is just spectacular. We got a nice sunset last night, and just look at these views. Got about 4 miles of just walking through this, so when I see more ponies I'll take the phone back out. Last night a bunch of people pushed on past the shelter we were at to go to the next shelter, and they're all like, "Oh, it's only 5 miles. Oh, it's all downhill." Yeah, no, it's a bunch of rock scrambles. Even when it isn't rock scrambles, it's all rocks. It's very poorly marked. I've already gone off trail once, fortunately just for a little bit, so yeah, I'm sure they had fun last night, but I couldn't have made another 5 miles in this type of terrain. Not after the brutal day yesterday, although it was nice to hear that everybody pretty much thought it was a brutal day yesterday, so it wasn't just me. Hopefully we'll see more ponies. Two things. Just passed 500 miles and just got to Fat Man Squeeze. Ooh, there's still ice in here. Look at that. So this is one of those silly things they put you through, kind of like the lemon squeezer in New York that I've done before. It's just kind of in between these boulders. Not too difficult. And with all that weight I've lost, no problem getting through Fat Man Squeeze. So, yep, officially over 500 miles. And, well, let me get down from this, and I'll be right back. Okay, I made it through Fat Man Squeeze, and I know this is corny as all get out, but I have to do it. Well, I would walk 500 miles, and I will walk 500 more, and 500 more, and 500 more. So this rocky terrain is becoming a pain in the butt, but at least you got these gorgeous views. Kind of makes up for it. I'm kind of disappointed. I didn't see any ponies except for ones that were at the shelter. None of them out in the fields. Oh well, such as it is. At least I got to see some ponies. And now we're back in the woods. Barely see it, but there's another pony over there. He's just eating and minding his own business all by himself. And I gotta keep going up there.